and revenue. They are facing the problem of in the Satara district of Maharashtra. In the Satara district of Maharashtra they are facing. So therefore they revolted under the leadership of, I said that, Basudev Balwant Phadke, and this is known as, I said Ramosis revolt of Bisset. So which are the movement we have been able to see? I said that first Indigo revolt of 1859 and 1870 the revolt of, I said that, Pabna movement, and 1875 Deccan riots, and there was no leader, all the farmers are there. And then we have been able to see, I said 1879 Ramosis revolt, and it is what I said that army men who has been converted into farmer, and then farmer has now revolted. Earlier there army men, lower ranker army were there in the, and the people are tribal, Ramosis. Now we are going to see Bizolia movement, B for Bizolia, B for Bhil movement in 1913 in the same region of Rajasthan, and that is, I said that, Mewar. Which region? Or if you will see that this region, I said Aravalli, this is Mewar, and this is Marwar. West of Aravalli, Marwar; east of Aravalli, it is Mewar. I said that Bizolia, in the Bizolia movement you can be able to see similar to Bhil, and when they were thinking that it is I said that in the Bizolia, जब बिजली किस पे गिरी? साधु पे, और साधु क्या बन गया? भूत, और भूत क्या देता है? Money देता है. These are the three portions are there. What I said that Sadhu Sitaram Das, Bhoop Singh, and I said that Manik Lal. Sadhu Sitaram Das, Bhoop Singh, and which one I said that? Manik Lal. And we have been able to see the first one. हम लोगों ने क्या देखा? Yes, tell me. कि 1913 में in the Mewar district, the farmers of this region, they found that they are British government, and along with the ruler of Mewar, their exaction, the high exaction. Exaction का मतलब ही tax है, चाहे कुछ भी है. Demand increased, high demand, and due to the high demand, they were under the pressure, and then for their, I said that in 1913 that this revolt, this movement has been started against the ruler and then British also, against the ruler and the British also by the Sadhu Sitaram Das. In 1915 it has been done by, I said that, Bhoop Singh, and then further it come into the hand of Manik Lal. And then I said that in 1916 they simply said that there will no revenue, they will not pay any revenue. Understood? And this movement goes against the Udaipur Maharana. यहाँ पे that is this reason is, I said that Mewar, Udaipur, Chittorgarh, and all this reason is coming under the what? Mewar region. So I said that समझ में आ चुका Mewar. And then which movement we have seen? 1913 Bizolia. 1913 Bizolia movement. Again दोबारा मैं इन चीजों को रिवाइज कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि इसके बाद आपका स्टार्ट होने जा रहा है चंपारण सत्याग्रह. 1917 which सत्याग्रह? Champaran Satyagraha. So before that I need to see that what is, I said that Indigo revolt in 1859, it is done by the Nadia district people against the British planters. Yes, याद रखेंगे, against the what? British planters. And against when they did the British planters were doing the fraudulent contracts with them. They have separation, they are, what is, I said that, paying less, and the soil is producing also less. So soil loss is there. So under the suppression, then therefore I said that they were also not understand. They are not also understanding their point of view. So what happened? Then under the leadership of, which are the leadership? I said that Digambar Biswas and Vishnu Biswas. Under the leadership of Digambar Biswas and Vishnu Biswas, then in the Pabna district it has, in the Nadia district of, it has been started. Slowly and slowly other districts also involved. Slowly and slowly, in this movement, not only educationists and then other Christian missionaries, they are also understanding that it is not good, and finally this has been ended with the, I said that, Occupancy Right Act of the farmers 1859. Now we have seen next one is in 1870 Pabna. In the Pabna movement, that is in a Pabna district in the eastern Bengal, it has been started against the Jamindari. The Jamindars are putting, I said that, harassment to the farmers. Their exactions are very high. They are increasing the rent anytime. They take the, what is in a land again, that is the Abwabs, it is known as, they used to take the land also. and that is why I said that lathi, and then people are also ready with the lathis and all. So we know that उनके बीच में वो भी पैसा कमाने वाले रहते थे, एक तो जाकर पैसा लेने वाला, एक लाठी वाला, और फिर जमींदार, और उसके ऊपर I said that Britishers. So इतने जगह पे पैसा बढ़ता था, and you know that जमींदारी सिस्टम इसी रीजन में था. I said that if I talk about, ये ध्यान रखिएगा, this peasant movement is also one of the factor for, I said that in your 1857 revolution, peasants are. So I said in the 18, and then then we have seen the Jamindari, and then against this in the Yusuf Jahi region of Pabna district, we have seen that the people get together under the Ishan Chandra Roy. Pab में कौन कौन गया था? ईश्वर, and then I said that कौन गया था? ईश्वर, Shambhu and Mulla. Understood? Ishan Chandra Roy, and then I talked about Shambhu Pal, and I said which one? Khudi Mulla. So they have get together, and this kind of movement, and they have made an agrarian league and call upon all the Jamindars to the court, and finally they try to resolve the situation. Similar kind of agrarian league has been formed in the other districts, and the same movement, and finally it is able to achieve with the help of 1885 Bengal Tenancy Act. लेकिन बंगाल टेनेंसी एक्ट में इट इज ना ऑक्यूपेंसी के बारे में ज्यादा बात किया गया है, टेनेंस के बारे में कम बात किया गया. दैट इज द वन इशू. अर्लियर जब मैं सारे गवर्नर जनरल व्हेन आई वाज डिस्कसिंग एट दैट टाइम आई हैव डिस्कस्ड. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आई सेड दैट हमने क्या बोला? डेक्कन रॉयट्स, एंड डेक्कन रॉयट्स आई सेड दैट इट इज अगेंस्ट द मनी लेंडर. यस, इट इज अगेंस्ट द. तो हमने कौन कौन सा देखा? व्हाट आर द कॉजेज? आई सेड दैट फर्स्ट ब्रिटिश प्लांटर, Jamindar and money lender. Yes, and then we are able to see now Deccan Riots in the money lenders is the major cause of it, and which are the major money lenders are there? Gujarati and Marwadi money lenders in the Maharashtra, and they are they used to seize the land of the farmers, and they used to, I said that, made several legal documents, and then legal documents, decree, deeds and all. On the basis of that they used to, exactions are very high. तो उनका डिमांड बहुत बढ़ जाता था, और इंटरेस्ट दे आर टेकिंग द. वंस एक फार्मर फंस गया, और ये ड्राई लैंड एरिया है, यहाँ पे जनरली क्रॉप फेल्यूर यूज्ड टू टेक प्लेस. देयरफॉर द फार्मर्स आर अंडर द हाई प्रेशर, एंड देन देयरफॉर व्हाट दे हैव अटैक्ड ऑन द money lenders houses, targeted the money lender houses, and major target was, I said that, deeds, decrees and the legal document. And on the basis of that, the British government has imprisoned them, and then they have made a commission, that it is a Deccon Joint Commission, to find out what is the reason behind it, and after that they have given Agriculturist Relief Act 1879. In this one they said that if anyone who is been not able to, what I said, that pay the money, then the money lenders should not seize the land, and they should not be imprisoned. The two things, they are not seizing the land should not be affected, and then they should not be put behind the prison if it is in the case of crop failure. These are the things. And thereafter Ramosis revolt of 1879, in the Ramosis revolt of 1879 we have been able to see it is in the Satara district, which has been earlier in the form of tribal movement. Later on, when they have become farmers, due to the extra increase of the land revenue, they have revolted against the, I said, the Britishers. They have revolted against the, और ये ब्रिटिश टैक्सेशन, ये कौन सा फैक्टर हो गया? ब्रिटिश टैक्सेशन सिस्टम. सो ब्रिटिश ने टैक्स को रेज कर दिया, देयरफॉर दे स्टार्टेड व्हाट इज फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट इट, एंड दैट इज अंडर द, आई सेड दैट अर्लियर चित्तूर सिंह थे, और बाद में आपको समझ में आया मिस्टर वासुदेव बलवंत फड़के. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, वी हैव बीन एबल टू सी Bijolia movement, and in the Bijolia movement 1913, if you are watching out, so Bijolia movement, it is started in the Mewar region by the I said that farmers in the region of it, especially of Udaipur and nearby region, and they have asked that they will not give the extra exaction done by the rulers and the Britishers, and therefore यहाँ पे extra exaction. Understood? Which point I said that? Extra exaction, जो डिमांड और भी बढ़कर होता था, and therefore that I said in it in the 1905 से start हो गया था ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, but in the 1913 you can be able to see it is under the Sadhu Sitaram Das, and then 1915 it has been under the whom I said Bhup Singh, and finally it comes under the Manik Lal, and then they refuse that they will not pay any revenue to the anyone and especially Udaipur of Maharana. Udaipur Maharana. Next one we are going to see in Bihar, Betia district and Betia district or Motihari district. Betia and Motihari. These are the two districts are there, and it is, I said that West Champaran and East Champaran. तो ये दोनों district यहाँ पर, if you see that this is in a Betia and this is, I said that Motihari. लेकिन इससे पहले हमें समझना होगा what is the meaning of Satyagraha, and we should understand what is the meaning of Satyagraha. And you know that this is the first experiment done by the Gandhis on the Indian soil. This is the first experiment done by Gandhi on Indian soil after the, what is it, coming in 1915. I said that Satya Agra. Yes or not? यदि मैं आपसे आग्रह कर रहा हूं तो आग्रह क्या होता है, पॉजिटिव और निगेटिव? जनरली पॉजिटिव, और उसमें साथ में मैं अपना ट्रूथ इज द मेजर सोल सब्सटेंस. ट्रूथ इज द सोल सब्सटेंस. इफ आई एम पुटिंग आग्रह, आग्रह का मतलब होता है गांधी कैसे आग्रह करते थे, दैट यू शुड नो. If you are putting pressure on me and you are, what is the Britishers are putting, what is the lathi on it, even then he was not making any kind of what, ill built activities against Britishers. No, and they do not have any kind of ill views against the Britishers. Understood? तो उनका कोई ऐसा नहीं था, केवल उनको चाहते थे and I will not affect them if they are doing adversaries on them, me. So that it is, I said that इन्होंने बोला, if the cause is true, यदि cause सही है आपका, yes or not, then there is no need to use physical force, need to use soul force. Which force? Because truth का soul substance क्या है, main substance क्या है, soul. Truth आप किस चीज से बोलते हैं, soul से. So it is in a soul force. Satyagraha is, and I said that. So I said that idea of Satyagraha emphasized that if the cause is true and if the struggle is against the injustice. Yes or no? Means possibly I can say that उन्होंने जितने भी Britishers ने काम किया वो legal था according to the British government. But it is unethical according to us. And the things are, when the unethical, it is always injustice. When the things are not ethical, it is always. So if the cause is true and fighting against the injustice, fighting against the, what I said that, then the physical force was not necessary to fight the oppression. तो कौन सा force चाहिए आपको? Soul force. समझ में आ गया? What is the Satyagraha? I said that Satyagraha means, I said that if the Satyagraha idea says that if the cause is true, if the cause is, I said that, true, I said that again, if the cause is true and then your fight against the injustice is there, then there is no need to use physical force. There is no need to use physical force. I said that it means Satyagraha is not a physical force. Satyagraha क्या है? It is not a physical force. Satyagraha does not inflict pain on adversary. वो किसी को पेन नहीं देते. आप यदि उस पर एडवर्सरीज कर रहे हो तो सत्याग्रही, the people those who follow सत्याग्रही, they do not give the pain to the others, inflict pain on the others, and also in the use of satyagraha there is no ill will whatsoever. जो भी situation हो, there should not be any kind of view whatsoever the situation. Means I said that satyagrahi should never give pain to the others. और इसी कारण से सत्याग्रह वर्ड को यदि आप समझोगे, and then I said that non-cooperation movement has been started and 1922, कैसे आप बोलोगे कि 1922 removal withdrawal of non-cooperation movement was correct according to the ideology of Gandhi? It was, he said that truth and non-violence and satyagraha is always fight with the soul force. In this one there is no, I said that ill effect or ill affect pain on the adversaries. हमें उस पर नहीं करना है. And I should not have any kind of ill-built view on the others. So ये दोनों चीजें जो कि मिस हुई in the what is a non-cooperation movement, that is Chauri Chaura incident. And therefore, again I said that therefore it has been said that they have withdrawn this movement, that is the non-cooperation. So I said that सत्याग्रह कैसा force है? Not a physical force, soul force. और इसमें सत्याग्रही को क्या करना होगा? There is no inflict pain on the adversary. जो आपके ऊपर दबाव दे रहा है, आपको प्रेशर दे रहा है, उसके ऊपर पेन आपको नहीं करना है. Do not inflict pain on the adversaries, and you should not have any kind of ill will, whatever the situation is. Understood? Satyagraha is a pure soul force. Now we can say that Satyagraha is in a pure. पहले हमने तो फिजिकल फोर्स नहीं है वो समझाया मैंने. उससे पहले हमने समझाया कि सत्याग्रह है क्या. सत्याग्रह है क्या? मैंने बोला सत्याग्रह इज एन व्हाट? व्हेन द कॉज इज ट्रू. व्हेन द कॉज इज ट्रू and if your struggle or fight is against the injustice, then there is no use of physical force. यही बोला. And उसके बाद मैंने बोला कि सत्याग्रह is not a physical force and सत्याग्रह never inflict pain on the adversaries, and then they have never have an ill will whatever the situation is. अब उसके बाद आप बोल रहे हैं हमें what is this सत्याग्रह? सत्याग्रह is a soul force, pure soul force. Truth is substance of the soul. सत्याग्रह इज एन सोल फोर्स. और उसका सब्सटेंस कौन है जिसके वजह से आप सत्याग्रह लड़े हुए? सोल फोर्स का. किससे सोल फोर्स?